Hi guys, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to share the tips and tricks of how you can become a software developer engineer even if you are coming from a non-IT background. Many students right now are struggling while trying to find a job. They are constantly being hounded by their friends and family and being asked the same question, why don't you have a job after even being graduated? Or why is your salary so low? If you are one of these students, then this video is for you. There are millions of jobs in SDE and its subsequent fields. The expected growth rate is 21% with an employment rate of 87%. But these are just numbers. They don't mean anything to you if you are not in the employment rate of 87%. The problem with these numbers is that the students are not getting solution to move forward with the right opportunity. Freshers are usually shouted for the entry-level jobs, despite their skills and experience with minimum wage. Some of the major issues with the students not getting placed are that most of them don't know about the right platform through which they can get the right opportunities. Some who do find a good opportunities face hindrance while getting their resume shortlisted. And some who work hard and push themselves are stuck in the interview itself. Students lack the skill set to qualify for the position. And that is why you need a right platform which can guide you through. Here is how you can become a master in SD. Despite knowing nothing about coding, you can conquer it. Even if you are from non-technical background, you can become a software developer engineer. The only place you need to go to conquer all these problems is AccioJob. So, what is AccioJob? AccioJob is founded by IIT Delhi alumni who train students on the full stack development in the 10-month program, and they guarantee at least 5 LPA CTC. So far, their students' highest CTC is 41 LPA and the average CTC is 8.3 LPA. AccioJob provides students to get trained by the best industry instructors who have cracked software development role recently, and they will guide you in the best possible way. Let's look at some success story, what AccioJob alumni has to say about it. So there is a student who is from non-technical background and he switched to 12 LPA job in IT in just 5 months. What is he talking about AccioJob? For a person with a background in a non-tech field, AccioJob trained me and helped me in improving my technical skills perfectly and land the job I had dreamed of. This is a story of Sandeep Singh. You can have a look on their LinkedIn profile. You can check out the courses they offer. As you can see, they offer 2 types of courses. One is for beginner and this is for those who want to start their coding journey from scratch. And the intermediate course is for the coder who has a good aptitude and logical reasoning. One thing is clear that students from any educational background can join their program. And the course duration is of 12 months for beginners and 10 months for intermediate. As I mentioned earlier, they guarantee a placement starting from 5 LPA for intermediate course and 3 LPA for beginner course. Now, what you need to do to join this program? Register on the website link in the description. Clear the selection process, which consists of a coding test and an interview for getting yourself enrolled with the intermediate course or directly getting into the beginner course. If you don't know the basic coding concept, you can join their free live course and then clear the test and interview. Now let's take a look at the curriculum to understand what you will be learning. So for beginner program, they are offering fundamental of programming, data structure and algorithm, backend and front-end specialization, become a full stack developer. And you can see the only difference between beginner and intermediate course is that in beginner course, we have fundamentals of programming. So they will start from scratch and the duration is of 12 months and here it is 10 months. As you can see, the languages and technologies they are covering here. Most companies work on Java, JavaScript. So the technologies you will learn during the program increases your chances to get higher. AccioJob students are working at Walmart, MakeMyTrip, Paytm, Visa, Ola Electric, BharatPe, 300 plus more startup and MNCs with 3,000 plus job openings. AccioJob has a dedicated placement team whose job is to make you job ready. They give 100% job guarantee. All AccioJob students get unlimited mock interviews for both TR and HR rounds. Also, students get to know how to make their resume and LinkedIn profile better. They will also help you in building your GitHub portfolio. Here is how placement report looks like. As I already covered, 41 LPA is the highest and 8.3 is the average TTC of their students. They have basically very well structured and well defined training to become a great software developer. AccioJob mentor and instructors are from top tech companies. I have personally reviewed their LinkedIn profile. As I mentioned earlier, they have recently cracked the software development role, and they are going to help you acquire the most relevant tech skills to get placed. You can have a look at the LinkedIn profile of Par Buddhiraja and Adarsh Mohta. You get a dedicated career coach, live doubt session, you get one-on-one doubt solving classes from experts. And most importantly, you are going to work on the real life projects to learn more from hands-on experience. Now, what are all things you get on the AccioJob batch portal? Recording of live classes, questions to practice which are very important to clear any company selection test, and you get weekly coding test. Now let's see what makes AccioJob stand out most above everything. It's their pay after placements. Students getting options to pay if you're not getting placed. Once you opt for intermediate course, then you can pay after you get the placement. So you can pay for monthly, like for 15 months, and the amount is 11,800 per month. You can see the 15,000, which is a refundable amount. You need to deposit it at the start of the program. For beginner program, the student has to pay the amount at the start of the course, but this can be converted into 12-month no-cost EMI. So how much will be the monthly? 6,879 you need to pay per month. More importantly, if you want to save money, you can opt for beginner course, which is of 12 months, and they will start from the base. That is the difference. What I can see is their fees is significantly less as compared to other online courses. So what are you waiting for? Go to the AccioJob website. The link is there in the description.